Crock-pot pork and sauerkraut comes to my mind like a warm hug on a chilly evening. The memories of many visits to Bavaria flood back to me, where the succulent pork and tangy sauerkraut left a lasting impression on my taste buds. This German sauerkraut dish is super easy to make. All you need is 15 minutes of prep time and these ingredients. 2 jars of German-style sauerkraut. Don't use American sauerkraut, it is most of the time super vinegary. If you can't find German-style sauerkraut, just drain and rinse the sauerkraut under cold water to get rid of most of the vinegar taste. You also need 2 pounds of pork belly. Instead of pork belly, you can also use other cuts of pork, but you might need to adjust the cooking time a bit. Additionally, you need 1 onion, 2 small apples, 1 2/3 cup of apple cider or beer, and 1 2/3 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, 3 bay leaves, 5 juniper berries, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch that we mix later with 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and optional 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. First, let's start by prepping the ingredients. Peel and cube 1 small onion, and then peel, core, and cube 2 small apples. Next, set your crock pot on high and add some butter, the onion and the apple cubes. Then lay the pork belly slices on top. I usually prefer smoked or cured pork belly slices, but it's very difficult to find where I live. And then place the sauerkraut on top of the pork meat. Now we're going to add some delicious spices. Caraway seeds, bay leaves, juniper berries, and then the vegetable broth, the apple cider, or the beer. Don't forget to season with optional brown sugar, salt, and pepper. And then just put the lid on the crock pot. Let it cook for about 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low. Once it's done, mix some cornstarch with water, add it to the crock pot, and give it a good mix. Cook for another 2 hours on high or another 4 hours on low, and finally remove the bay leaves, the juniper berries before serving, and enjoy your delicious crock pot pork and sauerkraut meal. Guten Appetit!